Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we have another race going on, and this time is against this M3 over here, this Austin yellow M3 versus my Alpine white M4. My M4, as you already know, is stock, doesn't have anything except for stage 1 boot mode 3. His, in the other hand, we have some modifications here. Tell me about your modifications.
Yeah, I'm tuned by boot mod stage 1. I have the VRSF intakes, the front mount intake, so you can see them in the front. I also have the VRSF charge pipes and actual downpipes. You can't see those, but it's all VRSF right now.
Full straight pipe, right?
Yeah, full straight pipe.
Also, you got the 295s, right?
Yeah, 295s in the back and 285s in the front.
So he should be putting a lot of grip on the back, because mine, I have 275s, so 295s is a big difference.
Yeah.
We clearly wanna see the difference over the road. Also, yours is DCT.
Yeah, mine is DCT, yes. Correct.
So I think it's gonna be even, because his is a sedan, so it's heavier, you know, because it's a sedan, and mine is a coupe. So we're gonna compensate that, because his modifications probably are going to keep up with my M4, or probably he's going to take me, I don't know. So
yeah, we'll find out.
Yeah, we're gonna find out over the roads right now. So what do you say? What is your better take on this?
I feel like we'll be close. I feel like I won't, you know.
I'm a small fry, right?
Yeah. I feel like it'll be probably like, you'll be on my fender, or I'll be on like, we'll be neck and neck, to be honest. I don't feel like it'll be that bad of a race. I feel it'll be a good one.
All right, cool. So let's go for that race.
41 seconds.
That is a big difference. The stage 1 with the wider tires, down pipe, I mean straight pipe in this case. Yeah, straight pipes, color intakes. It actually makes a big difference. I mean, his car is way heavier than mine, and he is beating me up. In stage 1, that is stage 1. So let's go see. I'm gonna do third. I'm gonna do 50 on third right now, and then 60 on third.
All right, here we go.
I was even. I noticed then his shifting is quicker, and that's why he got me after some speed. He got me there because of my shifting is slower, so on third. So now let's do 60 on third and see what is the result. deal. It makes a difference. M3 with all those modifications. If you have an M3 and you do downpipes, sharp pipes, cold intakes, and stage 1 straight pipe, you are faster. If you are M4, you're gonna be way faster than that. Yeah, I know I lost. That's the winner over there. So you got me there, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
I kind of 40s. You got me on second. 50 on second. You got me again on.
I think on 60s it was a little more challenging.
Yeah, on 50 and 60 on third, it was more challenging.
I had like more fishtail even.
Yeah. So I'm like, it was a pretty even race, but his modifications make a big difference. So if I definitely go like that on my car, I will just beat you up very easy. But I just want to keep it in stock, I believe. So that's why everybody says, and then they start modifying the cars, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, but it was a good race. It was a fair race. I think everything was fair.
Yeah, of course. No, yeah, you know, I always wait till they're long. I'm not, you know, trying to cheat you out. Like,
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah,
I mean, like, you gotta be like that. I mean, like,
yeah, of course. Yeah, you can't just, you know, like, you gotta be smart.
well, you beat me. There is no pin flip, so everything is fine. It is just a race, a friendly race, to see which one is better. And definitely his is better. This is my second loss, and probably the third one is gonna be another loss. So if you wanna win, you can contact me on Instagram, and you're gonna be the next one. So contact me there, and when I do a video too with your car and my car, and see which one is better. It doesn't matter what car you have. Could be a Ford or something like that. I mean, a Chevy, something. I don't care. I mean, we can just try it out and see which one is better. Stay tuned for the next race. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, those are some flames.